everyone, welcome to Kids Worksheet. Today we are going to learn new sound words. Let's practice with me. Are you all ready? Okay, let's start. Bun, bus, cup, hut, jug, mug, sun, nut. Very good, children. Tub. Awesome. Let's practice again. Tub. Very good. Nut. Sun. Mug. Good. Jug. Hut. Cup. Bus. Bun. I hope you have learned new sound words. Okay, bye-bye and keep learning. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share. Bye-bye.